Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use waypoints on the new version 11 holiday update software. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So coincidentally enough, I just released a video on how to use waypoints this past week, but with this new update, it's totally different and it's actually a lot better now. So I'm going to redo the tutorial and show you how to use waypoints with this new version 11 software, the holiday update that is, being updated, coming to the fleet now. This is, let's say Friday, the 24th, Christmas Eve. So how you do waypoints is let's just pick a location. So hit navigate here. And let's say we want to go to apple picking in an apple picking farm. So we're going to hit that. And it's going to do the route like normal. And then let's say we want to add another stop on the way. So to do that, now what you do is you hit the dots down here. And it'll give you an option to edit trip and add stop. So we want to add a stop for the waypoint. So hit that and then pick whatever you want. So let's say we want to get donuts on the way over there. Hit Krispy Kreme. And it'll create the waypoint for you. So note that, there we go. So note that the blue is where you're gonna go first, and the black is where you go after. And so just like before with the old waypoints, you have to kind of do it in reverse to start. So if I basically do it again, let me show you what it looks like if you do it the other way around. So let's say we go to Krispy Kreme first, which is the closer location to my location. It gets the, the navigation for you, and you hit the dots, you add a stop, and now let's say we want to go to the apple picking farm that's farther away. So go ahead and pick the apple picking farm, and what it'll do is it'll basically, like I said, the first point you put in is the system is going to think that's the last stop you want to go to. So as you can see now, it's saying, hey, go all the way to this supercharger station. So if we go down here, so actually we can go all the way to the apple picking farm, and then basically my battery doesn't have juice, so we're gonna have to get juice over here in Ronan Park and then go all the way back down to Krispy Kreme over there. So the cool thing now that's really nice and the way it really should be is if you hit the double dots down here, like I mentioned, if you hit edit trip, now what you can do is if you hit edit trip, it allows you to move the waypoints however you want. So let's flip it. Because that's kind of where you'd want to go. You want to go to Krispy Kreme first, and then the apple farm. So flip it, and then basically it'll switch. So you hit done, and now what you can see is once it routes the trip, just like before. So the blue to go to Krispy Kreme, and then the black all the way over to the apple picking farm. So that's how you use waypoints. It's a lot easier now, and then you can add as many stops as you want. So if you want to add another stop, go ahead. And then settings over here is just the normal settings for your navigation. So automatic navigation, trip planner, all that stuff. One other note too is that if you try and use waypoints from Google Maps or something and try to send it, like share it to your car from your phone, it doesn't work. So I already tried a waypoint and it basically just errors out and doesn't let you do it. So the only way you can do it right now is through your native Tesla screen here. So just keep that in mind, but that's how you do waypoints. Much better now. This is really how waypoints should be, where you can put in whatever stops you want and then edit it to, whichever sequence you want to do. So hope that tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.